Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So festive season is right around the corner and we all want to look our best. I mean, obviously, you not only want to burn a pataka, but you also want to be one. So today I've partnered up with Earth Rhythm and they have come up with a simple solution using only 3 products and 3 simple steps wherein you can get that glow on your face and be festive ready. So if you guys want to know what those products are and if you want to glow from within, with or without makeup, then please continue watching. So the very first step in any skincare routine is to cleanse your face really well, and the very first product I have here with me is their Hydrating Cream Cleanser. Now this one has 6 essential ceramides with hyaluronic acid, and you guys already know my love for ceramides and hyaluronic acid. The thing that I loved about this face wash is how gentle it is, and when they named it a cream cleanser, they were not kidding you guys. It is not one of those cleanser which is gonna lather. In fact, it has no lather whatsoever. Applies so beautifully on your skin, yet at the same time it's very gentle and effective. Now if you are someone who likes extremely gentle cleansers, and if you suffer with extremely dry skin and want to incorporate a face wash in your skincare routine that doesn't strip away the natural oils, then I would highly recommend you guys trying this face wash out. Of lately, since we are in that transition period from monsoon to winters, my skin has become very dry, especially around my nose area. So normal face washes to I use kar hi nahi pa rahi. I'm just using very teeny tiny amount of face cleanser. So I'm glad that I have this one because I can use a cleanser now, but I do not have to deal with any dry skin whatsoever. And also, speaking about this face wash, it comes with this really cool applicator. I love the applicator on this one. It has the silicone bristles in here, so you can just squeeze out the product like so and just go like boop, boop, boop. And it also helps to scrub your face in a way. Don't worry, since it's silicone bristles, it's extremely gentle. I would recommend not using too much force and you'll be good to go with this cleanser. I absolutely have nothing wrong to say about this cleanser, you guys. It's such a beautiful cleanser, and I never thought I'm gonna say that about a cleanser, but truly, this cleanser has been such a savior, especially for my really dry skin that I've been dealing with lately. Step 2 to achieve that really healthy and glowing skin is using their Instant Radiance Glow Face Mask. Now look at how much I've used this bad boy up. तुम्हें पता ही चल रहा होगा कितना use कर लिया मैंने. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm not someone who's into masks, who likes masking that often. कभी-कभार बीच में याद आ जाता है तो मैं use कर लेती हूँ. And I mostly use those clay or mud masks that you get because I have a really oily skin type. But जैसे मैंने mention किया है earlier that I have been dealing with a lot of dryness and flaky skin lately. I thought I'll give this mask a try, and this mask has been nothing but great. Now this facial mask is enriched with snow mushroom and kombucha. Snow mushroom is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which is really good for your skin, and the molecules in snow mushroom is smaller than hyaluronic acid, which means it's going to go deeper into your skin, making sure that your skin is super hydrated. It's not only hydrating your skin, but at the same time it's also working as an anti-inflammatory to calm down any kind of irritation or redness on your skin. The next main ingredient in this face mask is kombucha. Kombucha is nothing but fermented tea, and it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties. At the same time, it's a great antioxidant, and it will help target any kind of hyperpigmentation along with signs of aging. You cannot rely just on a face mask to help you with everything, but the face mask is just like an added boost. So you can use this face mask along with your already existing skincare routine, and it will really help you to just add that boost of glow and boost of hydration to your face, which is how I have been loving using this one. Does the job, you guys. Step 3, and probably my most favorite step in the skincare routine, is incorporating this skin brightening glow drops. Now this is supposed to be a brightening serum, but it has an oily texture. So the main ingredient in this serum is squalane along with caffeine. Now I have spoken about using squalane oil in my skincare routine as the very last step, and it has worked wonders. It's one of those oils that I recommend people blindly because it's something that suits pretty much every skin type. So the fact that it has not only squalane but also caffeine. The caffeine here in it is supposed to help tighten and brighten your skin at the same time, and it just adds a boost of pick me up to your skin, and I love that about it. You need a little bit only, and it has such a beautiful caffeine fragrance to it. If you are someone who loves coffee, and you guys know that already, I love coffee, you would love this facial oil. Now, it does not have any fragrance in it. It only has that, caffeine wala fragrance, which is gonna be there because caffeine is one of the main ingredients in here. So it's nothing that's, gonna be very irritating on your skin. It's just something that, lingers for a minute and then it completely goes away. I have been using this both in my morning and my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so those 3 products have been my go-to recently, and I have been using it non-stop just to see if it really works or not, and I've been loving so much. You can use any skincare product, but you can only see results if you are being very regular with it. Okay, so there you go, guys. That was my current mini skincare routine that I wanted to share with you guys and also review with you guys as well. In case if you are looking for that simple skincare routine to incorporate during this festive season, then look no further. Get these 3 products right here and you will be glowing this festive season. I promise you guys. So it would really mean a lot to me if you guys can like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also leave some really sweet comments. The products that I've talked about in this video will be mentioned down in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And with that, you guys, I'm going to take a leave and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.